Our history dates back to 1970 when Mr. D.M. Jain led the foundation of Sanjay Radio Electronics and started electronic shop in the marble area of Kishangarh, Rajasthan. Since then, we have grown to become a chemical processing company specializing in the formulation of epoxy resins and hardener, adhesive, floor coating and paints. Later, his son Akshay Jain expanded the business with a principle to adorn every space with finest and unmatched quality of chemicals trading. On the results of achieving good sales and support of marble producers in trading, they started their processing unit in 2006. In 2008, SRM Marketing specialized in processing adhesive and resins, which unleashed our business to drastic heights and thereafter began creating extraordinary progress, and we also set our foot in surplus non-moving plant and machinery. Our principle is to serve customers at a specific cost effective range, thereby gaining immense support from customers all around India. The firm owns 3 manufacturing units expanding up to 3 lakh square feet. SRM Marketing has generated an exemplary group turnover of 36 crores last year and has never failed to project at least 50% of growth every year, which is achieved evidently by their 22 years of experience. They have serviced for 500 plus clients and are serving 100 plus products and solutions. They started their business with 1 employee. Now they have staff range more than 50. Their excellence work was outspoken and recognized across the countries and was credited to them as an appreciation from Indian government and Denmark government. They were also nominated Rashtriya Udyog Ratna Awards.